Our Call Queue feature provides a superior customer experience by allowing callers to be placed in a queue and connected to the next available agent fairly and efficiently. Our Call Queue feature offers a range of customizable settings, allowing you to fine-tune the system to meet the specific needs of your business. You can set maximum queue lengths, agent timeouts, retry timers, queue timeouts, and more to optimize your call center operations and ensure that your customers are getting the best possible service. To access specific sections of this video, click on the corresponding timecode below. Call queues versus hunt groups. Call queues are often superior to traditional hunt groups in most cases for several reasons. Improved customer experience. With call queues, customers are placed on hold and are directed to the next available agent in the order they called. This ensures that all customers are attended to fairly. Increased efficiency. Call queues help to increase the efficiency of a call center or customer service department by allowing agents to handle calls more effectively. This can help reduce wait times and increase the number of calls that agents can handle in a given period. Customizable settings. Call queues offer a wide range of customizable settings such as maximum length, agent timeout, retry timer, and queue timeout. These settings can be adjusted to fit the needs of the company and the type of calls being received. Reporting and analytics. Call queues provide detailed reporting and analytics that can be used to track key performance indicators such as wait times, call volume, and customer satisfaction. This information can be used to make data-driven decisions and improve the overall performance of the call center. Callback request feature. Call queues often include a callback request feature, which allows customers to request a callback instead of waiting on hold. This feature improves the customer experience by reducing wait times and increasing convenience. After clicking on the Voice tab, select the number you wish to apply call queuing to. Then, select Call Queues from the drop-down menu. Enable Call Queue on the line. Add agents to the call queue by assigning them to the queue through the pull-down menus. You can add up to 30 agents in a queue. Agents can log in using *70XX, where XX is the extension number of the queue. Agents can log out using *71XX, whereas XX is the queue's extension, or *71 to log out of all queues. Configure queue settings. Queue strategy is where you set the type of ring plan you want for your queue. This will determine how the callers are distributed to your agents. The most common queue strategy is the ring all simultaneously, ring all agents. However, if you have one agent who seems to pick up the calls faster than the others, you can implement a different queue strategy. Determine the maximum capacity of the queue by setting the maximum number of callers allowed in the queue. Set the agent timeout to determine how long the agent's phone will ring before the call is sent to the next available agent. Applicable in some, but not all queue strategies. Set the retry timer to determine how long to wait before retrying an agent who did not answer. Set the wrap-up time to determine how long to wait after a call before calling an agent again. Decide whether to play a position announcement during hold time and set the frequency of the announcement. Determine the maximum amount of time a caller can be in the queue by setting the queue timeout. Set the queue identifier text that will be displayed in caller ID information. Choose whether to include a hold time in position announcements and whether to report hold time to agents before connecting the call. If using the ring all strategy, enable BLF monitoring and call pickup directly from the queue. Choose whether to send calls to agents even when they are busy on an existing call. Configure queue exit options. Click on the queue exit options link to determine how calls will be handled when they exit the queue. If you're using the request of a callback option, make sure to enter the email addresses of the recipients of the callback requests. Choose to send the call to voicemail, forward to another number, request a callback, or hang up. Upload music on hold and queue announcement recordings. Click on the Upload Your Music on Hold Recordings link to upload recordings that will play while callers are in the queue. You'll be taken to the Media Management screen of the line extension you are modifying. The queue announcement recording is a feature in a phone system that plays a pre-recorded message to callers who are waiting in a call queue. The message can include information such as the number of callers ahead in the queue, the estimated wait time, and any special promotions or offers that the company may be running. Hold music can either use our default royalty-free hold music if you don't upload anything, or you can upload your own music file here. You would need to upload your hold music file as a single file, otherwise our platform will only play the latest file that you have uploaded. Note, if there are no agents available in the queue will not activate. Accessing queue reports. Log into your customer portal and click on Reports in the left-hand sidebar. In the pull-down menu, select Queue Reports. You can send yourself a copy of the report on a daily basis, daily stats, and you can view the monthly and weekly reports for any period. The queue report is a summary of the performance of a call queue over a given period of time. It provides information on the number of calls received, the number of calls answered by each agent, and the average talk time for each agent. The report also includes data on abandoned calls, calls handled within a specified time frame, and average wait times. Additionally, the report may include information on the total talk time and average total duration for all calls, as well as the percentage of calls that were answered versus those that were abandoned. This information can be used to assess the performance of the call queue and make data-driven decisions to improve call center operations and customer service. Here are 5 scenarios where call queues are effectively deployed. Customer service. Companies often use call queues to manage customer service inquiries and support requests. When customers call the company's support line, they are placed in a queue and connected to the next available agent. This ensures that all customers are attended to in the order they called, reducing wait times and increasing customer satisfaction. Sales teams. Call queues are also useful for sales teams that receive a high volume of inbound sales calls. By using call queues, sales teams can ensure that all calls are answered promptly and that potential customers are not left waiting on hold or disconnected due to a lack of available sales representatives. Technical support. Companies that provide technical support often use call queues to manage incoming calls. This ensures that all callers are assisted in the order they called and that technical support staff are available to help with any technical issues that arise. Healthcare providers. Healthcare providers such as hospitals and clinics use call queues to manage incoming patient calls. This ensures that patients are able to speak to a healthcare professional and receive the care they need, even during periods of high call volume. Emergency services. Emergency services such as police departments, fire departments, and ambulance services use call queues to manage incoming emergency calls. This ensures that all emergency calls are answered promptly and that emergency responders are dispatched to the scene as quickly as possible.